Welcome to CAC Business Registration Nigeria. I welcome every one of us to this particular training. In today's video, we'll be looking at each and every one of the topics that we already listed in the group, and how we will be taking it is one after the other, so as for everybody to understand where to go next. After this, the next one to go into. So right now we will be going into the introduction and mindset for CAC business registration. That is the first thing we have on our course list. So I will urge everyone, I will beseech everyone to make sure they watch each of this video from the beginning to the end, for you to be able to understand what you need to put in place. You can see that I already pasted the course outline in the group, so that you will know this. After this is the next video I am to watch, for you to be guided properly. Yes, when you are doing business registration, it's not something you will do in a rush. You cool down, make sure you understand what you are doing, and you do it right. Once you do it right at once, you are going to get the results which you needed. So let's move forward. I welcome everybody once again. For those of us that might not know me, or that might be meeting me for the first time due to this particular course, I am Deborah Rafiu. I am the brain behind Sholadvem247, and I will be your guide to registering your business the right way. Before we jump into the CAC portal and start filling forms, it's very important that we start with the right mindset. How you approach this process can save you time, money, and stress at the same time. And it can also cost you a lot of money. That is why I need everybody to make sure they pay attention and watch each of this video, so as to prevent you from losing money. I am explaining this for all of us to know that you can make mistake that will cost you money if care is not taken. I have used myself as a, let me say, as a scapegoat to know all of this. That is why I'm telling you this, for you to prevent it. In as much as you are looking into not paying we agents much money, you should also look into not wasting that money again, because it is possible you don't want to pay agent, and on the long run you pay CAC double money, because any slightest mistake on the CAC portal is a fine, and any fine goes with money. You are going to pay to get any kind of fine or penalty fixed. So to prevent that, you need to make sure you understand everything you need to understand before you move to the next thing. Let's move to the next thing on our course outline, which is why mindset matters. Business registration might seem complicated at first. Some people get frustrated with delay, rejections, penalties, unexpected queries. Yes, all these things are things that are common when you are registering either a business, an NGO, or a company registration. But with the right mindset, you will see it as a clear step-by-step process rather than a maze. All you need to do is to be patient, give attention to details, and carefully planning yourself. These are the tools that you need to be successful when registering your business name. What you will learn in this course You already know all of this. I just want to brief us. We will cover everything you need to do from beginning to the end. How to search and reserve your business name, how to register your business name step by step, how to integrate your TIN to your certificate, how to avoid common mistake that causes delay or extra costs. By the end of this training, you will confidently undo your CAC business registration without stress or confusion. So I won't want any of these videos to be too long for you to be able to go through them and understand them. So take notes, stay focused, and follow each step carefully. Remember, this is your first step to making your business officially reorganized in Nigeria. Let's get started, and I will guide you through the process from the very beginning till the end. Now that we have set the mindset, our next video will give you a complete overview of the CAC portal and how you can log in. Stay with me and let's make this journey simple and successful. If you've watched to this extent and you are yet to like this video, kindly click that thumbs up button, which is a like button, so as to tell YouTube that we are doing something great here. Right now, the next thing we need to do is to move straight to our next video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to drop your question. Make sure the question you are dropping are not sensitive question that will expose your details. If you have any screenshots that you want to show me, make sure you drop it in the WhatsApp group. But any other question, feel free to drop them on the channel right here. Let's proceed to the next